Hello everyone. I am going to show you how I achieved this look. This is just a recreation of how my hair was adorned yesterday or tied with a head wrap. This is actually official Kente cloth from Togo, and I'm going to try to do a separate video actually showing you some things that I've noticed compared to a lot of other fabric that is sold online for garments and clothes and things like that. This is like official, you can feel the texture. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I achieved this recreation of yesterday's hairdo with the head wrap. So stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my twist in a bun. I only have hair on the top, as you can see. I don't use a ponytail holder. I just use the locks. I just use the twist. So I start by holding my hair in the middle. I take some twist from the back section. Okay. I fold it over. All right. And then I start bringing it around. So you're getting a twofer today, bun and head tie. And then the ones that are back here, come around, bring that in the front, and then just keep going. And then that last bit, just tuck underneath. Okay. This isn't meant to be perfect because it's going to have the head tie anyway, but so this is my basic bun. Alright, no pins, no ponytail holders, and it stays like this all day. So this is the fabric. Alright. Beautiful. I feel so honored. Alright, so I'm gonna stretch this out so that my head goes like in the middle. Okay. It's pretty long. So, alright, so that's in the middle. I put it so that it covers the back of my head, coming up to my ears. Okay, pinch this side, and I'm gonna tie a loose knot. One. Okay? Then take the fabric again. Not tight. I don't do them tight because I'm prone to having migraine, so just enough so that it doesn't really come off, but not too tight that it's hurting or applying too much pressure. And then you tie a second knot right above it. Okay? So those are your two knots. Then you take the excess fabric and put it inside. Okay, and I'm going to take this piece and do the same. And then you just fine tune. So do like this. Make sure the sides are the way you like it. Just take a quick look. Alright, looks good to me. So there you have it. Nice little head tie. I'm pretty sure I'll wear my hair like this once in a while. Normally I don't, but I didn't have any headaches yesterday. It was really nice to wear. I have on simple black shirt and shorts and some earrings, and it basically dresses up the whole outfit. So I like the way this looks, and this was just really quick to do. So this is how I recreated the look from yesterday, and if you try it, let me know. Alright? See you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.